Let's count the dinosaurs! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5!
5 little dinosaurs roaring at the door. One stomped away and then there were 4.
4 little dinosaurs splashing in the sea. One swam away and then there were 3.
3 little dinosaurs munching on some stew. One ran away and then there were 2.
2 little dinosaurs playing in the sun. One flew away and then there was 1.
1 little dinosaur sitting all alone. He called his dino friends and then